What is up, Fisher people? I am in Florida on a family vacation, which is kind of cool. It's been a long time since I've been somewhere warm. This house we're staying at is on a canal, which I'm hoping has fish. And I've just been told there's fishing poles in the garage. I was thinking I'd have to get this on my own if I wanted to fish. But this is an exciting development, so let's go check it out. Oh buddy, what do we got here? I see bobbers. I see, okay, there's some open face, like super heavy ocean rods.
Fake shrimp on it.
Fake shrimp, perfect. We might be able to pull this up. Might get some fishing in.
Kind of tells me that maybe the owners do show up once in a while and stay.
Hopefully we can use this stuff, right?
I don't know.
Got a little dried shrimp on this one, and we got the fake shrimp on this guy, but it's a beast rod. I might just have to try the fake shrimp just to throw it around. We'll see what happens. So there's the fishery. There's the canal. Here's Winston. I think he's gonna try too. What do you think, Winston? You gonna fish?
Is there one?
Bruce is gonna be the cameraman.
They want you to buy their
That's my stepdad. That's my stepdad's brother, Brian Schlichting. And let's see if this fishing here.
Yeah, let's give it a shot.
Let's give it a shot.
Give it a shot.
We're gonna fire the little shrimp paddle tail on the freaking massive Shakespeare here and see.
Whoop. Blooper number one.
The first cast was pretty shoddy. I don't think this thing's been used for a while.
4, 5, 6. We have.
That came out a little smoother.
A little bit.
I didn't have dog. I had
We need
gold,
some. We do. How about live bait? We need live bait.
they had one of the poles had like a dry, crunchy shrimp on it.
What if you?
I guarantee you shrimp would be.
We're going to grocery store. I'll see if there's a case of that.
Yeah, they might sell them in like
They
they
might.
sell night crawlers.
Yeah, I'll check.
If they got shrimp anywhere, shrimp would
Well, I
be
might
the
just grab
ticket.
shrimp and just grab some shrimp.
Maybe regular shrimp would
Just
too.
regular
Like
shrimp. Just
live
take a
shrimp
piece.
would be great.
Let me see if I can find. We're going right now to the grocery store.
Okay.
I'll try to find some bait. Okay.
Let's do it.
All right. We'll see you guys in a little bit.
Sounds good.
I'll bring mom and dad.
Well,
back.
how far did you get? Maybe if we could go on a boat Sunday afternoon. And I talked to Joe yesterday. He goes, when are you guys going boating with us? I go, Sunday afternoon. Sunday looks
You like
like
the arm
the best
floaties?
day. So I asked him,
You like those
how
arm
many
floaties?
people can fit on the boat? And we thought maybe Monday, would Melody want to do the beach?
Shrimp for fishing.
Brian got bait.
Yep, they're down there. Look at those suckers.
Oh my god.
They're really live shrimp.
Holy cow.
So
We'll see if this works.
yeah, look at them. We'll have to go outside. They said to hook them up in the crown area.
Okay.
They had it and said, yeah, put them on hook and let it fly. So you could catch. You doubt you get tarpon, or you might get tarpon,
In the canal?
but possibly.
Really?
Said might be a little challenging. Sometimes they're in the canal.
All right.
They should work,
Let's go see.
but you got to use them day off because after like so many hours there.
Okay.
Yeah.
Holy cow.
Look at these babies.
Why did it do that?
That's big.
I don't know if we use it, so we'll just.
So where do you hook it?
I said the crown, but I didn't know if that was going through up
Does that
here.
mean the front?
I'd say so, wouldn't you?
I don't know.
Why did it do that?
I suppose crown normally means front of things, right?
What do you think?
Why
like
did
that?
it do that?
We'll see if this works.
Let's give it a try. I don't know if you use the whole thing. I'm guessing
Why
you do.
did
You didn't
that
say
do
that.
I mean,
that?
yeah.
All right, Brett's attempting this.
A worm.
We got the live
We got
shrimp
live
on
shrimp
it.
now.
Yep, we're ready to go, right? We'll
I
see.
hope so.
We're giving it a try.
This is new for me. Do you work it or do you just kind of like let it sit
He
down
just
there
said,
and
you
do
know,
its
just let it
thing?
sit, move it around a little bit, he said. And if there's fish around, it'll go after it. So I might have to go get some tips from him.
Yeah, I'll definitely have to go
Yeah, you go up and talk to
talk
this
to the
guy.
bait shop guy.
Yeah, they're just...
So we have not yet caught any fish, but we acquired a crab trap, and we're gonna try to throw some chicken in there. We got chicken livers, but I don't think the chicken livers are gonna stay in them holes. There's a solution: chicken livers in a bag with holes poked. Brandon thinks we should use one of his dirty socks, and he may be right. We're gonna try the bag method tonight. Brandon is a certified turtle trapper, and he's a little peeved we're not listening to him.
I once held a commercial fishing license. You just pull up on this part. Might as well chum a little bit while you're at it.
Yeah. Might help our shark fishing efforts tonight.
Now they know what we paid for bread. Now to give her a toss. You want to tie it around a pole or something?
And I assume it.
Yep, just right like that. Give her your best toss, Bruce.
Well, it can't go out too far, or we don't have
Right.
that long a rope.
And
we
we're
go.
crabbing.
We're crabbing.
Should we check it, see if we caught anything yet?
So I actually had 2 bites now on that swim bait, 2 blow-ups on that thing, and they didn't get it all the way in. I don't know what kind of fish we're dealing with. Brandon's got another freshwater shrimp over here, so maybe it'll come alive at night. I'm gonna get back at it and try to catch something.
Give us some light. Oh, I'm excited.
Here, get down, buddy. Let's go find this fish.
Okay, here, Winston. Take my
Still
hand.
got it.
Still on?
Yeah.
What is it? Can you see it?
I don't know, but it's pretty big.
It's pretty big.
Yeah. Yeah, it's got some weight.
Should have grabbed the laundry basket.
Oh boy.
This is awesome.
Heyo.
Where's the net?
We definitely don't have a net. Yeah, get some lights on his rod here. Holy cow, Brandon.
Yeah. It's not small.
Straight down now?
It's like a little catfish, I think.
Is it one of them cats?
Yeah, I think it's a catfish.
They said to be really careful with, I don't know if it's any different than normal catfish barbs, but
Good buddy.
hey-oh, that's a catty.
A little catfish.
Good buddy, come here.
Sorry.
First
Good.
Florida catch. Hey,
You see him?
Looks like just a regular old,
Get behind you.
It's
I don't know,
like a channel cat,
blue
isn't
or
it?
channel cat.
Whoa!
Isn't that cool?
Okay, you see it?
Show the camera a little bit here then. Yeah, keep the light on him.
It's like very shiny.
Bronze.
Yeah.
Holy cow, that's funky.
Oh.
Keep that! Daddy,
Don't you want to touch it?
keep that!
Sure. You
Well, if I turn my camera, so I can still get a picture.
get. It'll flash, yeah.
Are y'all ready?
Okay, ready?
Yep.
Wait, so look up the cheese. Okay. It's a selfie.
He took a selfie.
You ready? Oh, that turned out good.
Yeah.
Move.
All right, we're gonna let him go. Before he
Look,
stings
there he goes.
me.
He's going.
I'm keeping this.
Say goodbye. Bye, fish.
Bye, fish.
He's gone.
Let's get some more.
Yeah. Another little catfish.
Another cat?
Or no, it's a bass.
Oh yeah.
It's a little bass. Or is that a snapper? I think that's
I think it's a little snapper.
Yeah.
Come here, buddy.
It's a good night bite. I can't even get mine in the water. Brandon's kind of onto him with the shrimp here.
Another little catfish, I think. I got freaking out.
Cat?
Winston, watch where you're watching, buddy. You almost stepped on a hook.
That's 3.
Yeah.
I got like 2 more.
It's 2 days, so it's 8 hours.
On?
It's hot.
Feels pretty tiny.
Must be a smaller fish, huh? What is this? One of those little snappers again?
Tiny.
A tiny catfish.
Just a tiny cat.
At least we figured out how to turn the lights on.
These are the ones that sting.
Got another catfish?
Very
Nice to
big.
catch something different.
Somewhat
That's a
bass.
snapper.
Snapper. A little bit bigger than the first one.
I wouldn't mind catching a few of these.
He's snapping. Do these have teeth?
I don't think so, do they? They got teeth?
I don't know. It looks like he's trying to bite me. What is he doing?
Put your fingers out, find out if you got teeth.
It's acting bigger.
Oh,
Holy cow.
my drag is kind of loose, but
Yeah, I remember that first fish was kind of doing this, but not quite to this extent, I don't think.
love to hear that drag.
Don't you? He's up top there.
Another catfish. Not much bigger, but channel cats, they just definitely put up a nice fight. That's not a bad one.
No. So it's a few days after the last clip, and I don't know if I actually mentioned this or not, but part of this trip has actually been a wedding. So my sister got married. That was a cool thing. So that's kind of done and over with now. Lovely wedding, went off without a hitch, all great stuff. And now we can finally kind of relax and chill again, and we're gonna get back to fishing. Go to the bait shop, pick up some bait, a little more shrimp, and see if we can't just pull in a few more fish out of the old canal.
Keep going down, it's like people fish right off the bridge right there. You go down Chiquita, Cape Harbor. It's like a house there, like, just show me spots.
Yeah, we've got circle line, fire. You break the letter?
So we're kind of striking out so far on fish here on the second iteration. And the only thing us ocean fishing newbies can put together is that maybe a lot of this has to do with the tides. When we were catching fish the other day, the tide was actually pushing here in the canal. Or wait, out of the canal. And we were thinking maybe this fish were setting up outside the canal waiting for stuff to get pushed down, and we were catching them underneath the bridge here. And it's not doing that today. The tide doesn't go out till like 9:40 p.m. or something. So I don't know. I don't know if that makes any sense or not. I am not an ocean fishing expert. Definitely not a canal fishing expert, but something we're pondering. Maybe it makes some sense. You tell me. Oh yeah. So this fish just totally freaking ambushed me. I have no idea what it is, but it's got a lot of teeth. And totally caught me by surprise. It's got a lot of spots on it.
Take a good, oh, look at the teeth.
A lot of teeth.
Hey, ouch.
You'll have
Yeah.
to research that.
If I can gill it.
Kate can get it. What's the matter?
Yeah. Very soft fish, very much like a trout.
You catch that fish?
I did.
Whoa!
Jumped out of the water a lot. We'll figure that out later. Yeah. Get the release here. Bye-bye, buddy.
Here we go. Going back
Bye
home.
bye.
Phone.
Oh boy.
Oh my goodness.
Brandon's got another.
Oh,
Holy.
there's a boat.
There's a boat coming?
Yeah, you're fine. You're fine, you're fine.
It's all right.
Did you get it?
Is he rip and drag all the way out there?
Did you get the fish?
He's working on it.
Hopefully.
I hope there's no sharks in there to eat him.
Oh, there are sharks in here.
Uh-oh. What did he say?
I want to see one. I want to see something.
You gonna need help landing it? Oh my goodness.
Did you get it?
Not yet.
He's working on it, bud.
You'll see it when he has it.
Yep.
That might be a big one.
He's just a feisty sucker. I mean, he's
What
decent
about the
size.
blue shark?
Just feisty.
What is that? Is that a cat?
Blue shark.
Yep.
It
Catfish.
is another catfish.
Catfish.
Where?
Now they fight hard.
There it is.
Brando is still the
Oh
catfish.
my! That's big!
Whether he's in the Midwest or the Florida
That's big!
Gulf side,
That looks like a shark!
he is.
And we got it in the corner of the mouth.
That looks like a
Catfishing.
shark! Guys, can we show them our fish?
Heyo.
Can we show them that fish? We caught a catfish!
Nice belly.
Crazy how much these put up a fight.
Yeah, it
We
is.
caught a
Like,
lot of those.
I thought this was a lot bigger.
So did I.
They don't call it catfish.
Like he was
for
dogging
no
me hard.
reason.
Oh
We
yeah.
caught a lot of catfish.
And flipping it, so it was probably like 6 to 8 to 10 inches underneath, and he just took it down, and I set the hook, and as soon as I set the hook, he flew right out of the freaking water. What? I think that's a jack for sure. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, look at that, the way that tail is. I don't know if there's any teeth in there really. It doesn't look like it. Oh, the top row maybe, is that teeth? Yeah,
finger in
not
there.
much. They're just kind of gritty teeth, not really sharp. So yeah, a lot of species tonight. I was a little worried we weren't going to catch anything the way the evening started, but now we're catching a little bit of new stuff. So.
Well, and that's what happened the other night. Later it got is
Yeah,
a little more bites.
he's tiny, but that was fun. I enjoyed that. Jeez, you think I could skip across the water like that? Another kitty?
This little guy.
You can take them off.
Okay.
It's all you.
Fun part.
It really wasn't that heavy.
What do you think of that, Sydney?
No.
Did you catch one?
Why is it so ugly? What is it?
What do you got?
I have
don't
no
know
idea what this is.
Ugly. It's so ugly.
It looks like. Oh, that might be a rockfish.
What the heck?
Don't.
What the
Don't.
hell?
Don't touch that.
Nope. We don't touch anything we don't know.
Good plan.
That looks.
Yeah, you hold the line so I can get out of this tree.
Did you just catch something? Did I come at the right time?
We got 2 fish right now. Brandon's
Take
trying
it
to
into the
unhook
lake
his.
here.
What the
And then
hell was
Tanya
that
goes,
thing?
I think I got one.
Can you even touch that type of fish?
I don't know.
It's so
crazy.
ugly.
It is really ugly.
I just thought it was a short, stubby catfish at first, but it's
Quit twirling.
definitely not.
What are those weird little finny things on the
I
bottom?
don't know.
Like, they look like little. Oh.
Alright, lower your pole.
I assume you're like not gonna actually touch it, right? Because it looks like a little sharky demon.
We're gonna try not to touch it.
What is this?
Oh my gosh. That is so weird.
What is this fish? It looks like a lizard fish.
Paul, you want to see something very interesting?
So grandpa.
What'd you think of that?
It's so ugly. I've never seen a fish so ugly.
Is the bride gonna do some fishing?
She says Wawa for water.
This is the woman of the week for y'all.
Hello.
My sister TERYN,
I'm just a spectator.
newly married.
Another catfish.
Nice.
You know, if you let enough line out, you can just keep fishing.
Why just
Reel the fish up into the tree.
Tree snag, snapper. That feeling good? Just another cat though.
Just another little. Oh, that's a pretty decent
Oh,
snapper.
yeah, that is a good snapper.
Yeah.
So it's like 11 o'clock right now. Brandon's dealing with his snapper over here. And obviously things turned around a little bit. I don't know. It must just be an evening bite thing here in the canal.
This one's very snappy.
Very snappy.
See if we can get him to snap for you.
Oh yeah.
Wow, that's crazy.
Look
at the-
Jeez, it happens so fast.
Yeah, it is so quick.
I almost need to get it on slow-mo. That's a nice fish.
Oh, God, that's crazy.
But yeah, so yeah. What's up?
Supposedly these are good table fare too, right? I mean,
I think so.
Gosh, I almost kind of want to keep it, but I don't want clean fish either.
I don't either.
All right, bye, snapper.
But yeah, I don't know. We got to figure it out. We caught a lot of fish tonight, and a lot of fish. I mean, decent amount of fish the other day. Definitely a lot tonight. Got some other fish for some other family members, and it's been a lot of fun.
The river.
This is the Calahoochee River. Calahoochee, something like that. All right, pulling up to the call box. We'll see if we get this. Okay, so it says the phone call or entry code.
No fishing today, but we got a sweet boat. And we're on the water.
Just an FYI, you might be doing that if you're wearing your shoes.
You're on video.
Oh. What do you want us to say?
Whatever you want.
What's up, YouTube?
What are you using for bait?
Squid.
Nice. You've caught catfish so far?
Yeah, just 3 catfish.
The record's 5. We're trying to beat them.
Things are calming down. Hanging out by the pool, and we're gonna check the crab trap. See if we got some hors d'oeuvres for a nice little seafood meal tonight. Let her rip, baby. Come on, crab. Come on, crab. Nothing.
I don't think we're going hungry.
Nothing again?
Not a very target-rich environment, Mav. Oh, we might have to go to a restaurant tonight.
Rats.
Say shoot.
Here's my sister Taylor
Hi.
Nothing
and her
there.
daughter Oakland
Okay, say hi.
making their YouTube debut.
Say no crabs.
No crabs?
No. Hope not. Oh no. Now she's saying hi. Okay.
Say what's up, Fisher people.
Okay, say sup.
Okay.
Sup. She says sup. She's mad everyone left. Alright, say bye.
Where's a good spot?
Right?
Right here?
I think it's down.
Right here. So what do you do if you get like a 10-pound fish right now?
No idea. Walking all the way down the end of here.
I suppose.
Yeah, man. And they're good, huh?
Yeah, we're gonna get them.
What'd you catch them at?
A piece of shrimp.
Winston, there's a dolphin right there. Right there. Look, there's a dolphin, buddy. Oh, there. Oh, pick him up, pick him up, pick him up. Right there.
Hey, bro.
Hey,
What's going on?
trying to find the hiking trail. Like, there's like maps or anything. How could anybody's reaction to this be gross?
That's a great question. I think we should show Taylor the video later.
Yeah. Look at what you missed out on, okay?
Come on, sis. That'd be pretty crazy.
Little fishes in there.
You see fish?
Little minnows.
Hi.
Fishing is just a great way to like interact with nature.
Right.
It's like an excuse to get into nature, but then you can like really interact with it in a deeper way.
Yeah.
Yeah.
As opposed to just like walking around and looking.
Right, like this is nice, but to actually like move with nature and interact with it. I dig that.
Oh, it's a wee little guy.
Maybe use it for
We
bait.
just spent $700 catching stuff.
Going down?
Hold on.
Let Brett through. Let Brett through.
What seems to be going on here?
Grandpa can see it.
Did you snag a stingray?
Here,
Yeah.
Well, Eli caught it,
And-
then
That's cool.
So you like caught it?
Eli caught it, and
The little guy.
I had to manually bring it in with.
Yeah, watch out.
Watch out for the tail.
I wanna
Watch
see
out.
that
Watch over the
way.
tail.
Let's see the other side.
Spin it around.
Let's see if we can. Yeah, here we go. Hold on.
What?
Say, look Grandpa pull it up.
Back up.
Right there.
Oh, yeah. Not bad, not bad.
Where is he?
Who called it? It's too
Eli caught it, then it snagged it. Cindy's got it on the
Okay.
side, Eli's got it in the mouth. Is there
snapper.
Yeah, bring it in.
We got one.
Fishies!
It went my shrimp right off. I saw it.
Brandon, you want to put a shrimp on?
He did.
I did it earlier.
Take that. Hold it here. Don't. I don't have it tied
I
yet.
won't reach
Hold it right
in
there.
and grab them, so.
Looks kind of big.
Kitty cat.
Do not hit that pole.
We got a fish on the rod without a crank.
Yeah, I got it. How you doing, Eli?
He's doing work here.
Good job.
He's getting it done. Snapper again.
You wanted to work out today.
Now I think you might be able to just lift him in.
Over there.
That's
Looking this way.
that is impressive.
Eli, bring it over here.
Grab the line.
There you go.
That's a nice snapper too. For a hand line.
Did you have a fish? What?
Wow.
Did you get a fish? What?
Feisty.
What is another catfish?
Another catfish.
We never did catch any crab. Matter of fact, we never cooked any of the fish that we did catch. Nonetheless, we still managed to have a great seafood dinner with friends and loved ones, people we care about, and some that weren't even family before the week started. I didn't necessarily plan on fishing this trip, but somehow it seems that the fishing always finds me. And it was fun and exciting to learn how to fish in a different way and catch fish that we had never caught before. For a variety of reasons, it had been a long time since I'd done any extensive traveling. And for a while, it seemed like our little time in paradise would never come to an end. But as we know, all good things do. On the positive side, this just leaves room for the next adventure. and then the next one after that. Because there's always another fishing trip. Or whatever else your adventure of choice may be.